Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Unicards is hiring for operations executive role. Job location is Bangalore, Karnataka. Let us get to know about the job. Looking for a growth-oriented hustler who can work cross-functionally with product, marketing, tech and other teams, coordinate with multiple stakeholders to get things done, can set up processes from scratch and later scale them, is not afraid to get his hands dirty on deep and fast execution, and can take ownership. What do you get out of this? A chance to work with a small but passionate team, get to work on an early stage product, an opportunity to see the direct impact of the work and massive growth opportunity. Now you might be thinking that what is Unicards? So let us know about this company. Unicards is a new age fintech company with a mission to change the way people interact with credit by reimagining the existing credit products and delivering an unmatched credit experience to millions of Indians. Uni is disrupting how traditional credit card products work. This is Unicards website, NX Wave, the next generation credit card for those who love rewards. 1%, a short cashback on your spends. The more you spend, the more you earn. And there are many more things. You can also visit the website. Check the link in the description box. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this easy apply button and then fill the application form and submit it. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फॉर मोर लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.